Welcome back. So in the previous task, we saw to change the content of the feature section. We also saw to add a few widgets. And now in this task, we'll be working with some more widgets. So now let's go back to our customizer section. And now we'll be working with some other remaining widgets. So let's scroll down our website a bit. So now here you can see it says best hospital in your town. So it's the our mission page widget area. So basically this section it represents this widget. So now we'll be modifying it. So here it is asking you to select a page. So you can select any one of them if you like, but this one was a default, so I leave it as it is. And next here you can set the character limit, and next here we have the learn more button. So if you want you can change the text. So let me edit this and let me call it as want to know more. So here you can see the change it has appeared on your website. And next here, if you want, you can also provide a button link so that whenever you click this button, it will navigate you to the URL that you provide over here. So we'll do that in some few moments. But before that, let's go ahead and let's change the content of this page. So let's go back to our edit post section and let's go back to our dashboard area. And now go ahead and let's click on all pages right here. So go ahead and click over there, and here you can find the best hospital in your town page. So go ahead and click on the edit button. So now again, since I already have my content ready for this as well, so let me copy this. So to copy, just press Control C, and now let's go ahead, press Control A to select all, and now press Control V to paste it. Now let's go ahead and let's click on this update button right over here to publish it. Now let's go ahead and let's click on this document option right over here. So if you scroll down, here we have the permalink option. So click on it, and here is the URL for the best hospital in your town page. So let me open this. So just click on it, and let's go ahead to the URL here. Press Ctrl A to select all, and then press Ctrl C to copy it. And now let's go back to our customizer, and now let's provide the URL over here in the button link section. So with this, whenever you press on this want to know more button, then it will direct you to the URL for this page. Now let's go ahead and let's click on this publish button right over here. And now if you want to see the changes, so go ahead, right click on it, and then select open link in a new tab. And here you can see it navigates you to the best hospital in your town page. So it's working. So let's go back to our customizer section. So first let me close all the unnecessary tabs. So let me close this. So let me close this as well, and let me close this as well. So it's done. Now next, when you scroll down your website a bit, so here you can see we have the contact us for any type of medical services, contact us today, and here we have the quote section. So this section it resembles the better health quote widget area over here. So click on it, and here if you want you can change the title. So let me edit the title. So just press Ctrl A to select all this, and now let me change the title, and let me call it as you can contact us 24/7. So here you can see the change it has appeared on your website. So you can change the title anything you prefer. So go ahead, pause the video, and change it. Now next here we have the button text, and here next we have the button link. So let me let me press Ctrl A to select all this, and let me remove this. And now let me set it as a hash. So if you do not want to provide any URL on the button link, then you can just set it as hash only. Or if you want, you can also provide the URL as we did before. So it's done. So now let me scroll down the website a bit. So here you can see we have the recent post section, and but before that, here we have the Better Health testimonial widget. So let's go ahead, click it, and now let's select a category from here. So let's select the testimonials. So it's done, and here you can see the change it has appeared on your screen. So if you want to view the full screen mode, so just click on this hide control, and here you can see the testimonial section is right over here. So the testimonial section, it has been present over here, but now let's go ahead and let's change the description part for this testimonial section as well. So let's go back to our dashboard area, and then you need to select the categories option from the post section. So go ahead and click on this categories, and then let's go ahead and let's find for the testimonial section. So just click on this count tree corresponding to the testimonial section. So here you can see we have three posts in this category. So now let's go ahead and let's edit this. So let me edit the first one, and then the next two will be edited by you. So just pause the video and you can do that. So but before this, let me edit this. So go ahead and click on this edit button right over here. So before changing the description part, first let me change the doctor name as well. So let me call it as Florin Brick. And now since I already have my content ready, so let's highlight this. So let me highlight this, or you can also press Ctrl A to highlight it, and then change the description part. So it's done. Now let's go ahead and let's click on this update button right over here. Now let's return back to our customizer. Now let me click on this publish button to publish it. And now let me once refresh the page to see how the change looks like. So let me scroll down. So yeah, here. So let me hide the control over here to see it or to preview it in a full screen mode. So here you can see the change it has appeared on my website. So I had also changed the title name for the Florin Brick. Now let me expand the customizer so that I can customize the other widgets as well. So let's go back to the widget section and then again click on this homepage widget area. So now we are done with the testimonial widget as well. So let's scroll down our website. So here you can see we have the recent post section, and here we have the recent post widget. So this section, it resembles the better health recent post widget. So go ahead, click on it, and from the category just select the blog post. So go ahead and select it. So it's done, and here you can see the change it has appeared on your website. But to preview this in a full screen mode, go ahead and click on this hide control, and here you can see we have the latest post available. So let's expand this customizer section again, and now let's go ahead and let's publish it. So with this we are done with the widget section area for our website. Now let's go back to our customizer section. So let's go back, and now let's scroll down our website a bit. So let's scroll down, and yes, so here we have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us anytime. And here we have the contact us button, but it's not working since we do not have a URL over here. So for this, or to modify this, let's go ahead and let's click on this footer option right over here, and then here we have the top footer contact link option. So let's scroll down, and here if you want you can change the top footer title text. So this part, it resembles the title text here. So let me remove this have. So go ahead and remove it. So you can edit this or you can name it anything you prefer. So let me remove this and it's done. And if you want, you can also add the top footer subtitle text area. Now here we have the button text and the button link. So now let's go ahead and let's remove this link and let's add a URL to the contact page of our website. So to get the URL for the contact page of the website, let's navigate back to our dashboard area. Then just click on the all pages section right over here. And here we have the contact us uh, page. So go ahead and click on this view option right over here. So it's the contact us page. So go ahead on the URL here at the top, press Ctrl C to copy it, go back to the customizer, and here in the button link, first let's remove this. So press Ctrl A and then remove it, and now paste the URL given here, and it's done. Now click on this publish button right over here. Now to see the change it has appeared on your screen or not, so go ahead, click on or let's choose the open link in a new tab option. And here you can see the button. When you click on the button, it navigates you to the contact page URL of your website. Now let's go back to our customizer section. So let's go back and now let's scroll down, and here we can change the email address. Here we can change the cell number. So when you scroll down the website here, this section it resembles this part. So let's go ahead and let's change the location, email, and the cell number. So let me change the address. So let me remove this all and let me rename it. So let me call it as Main Street under any ABC state. So here you can provide the address of your home location. And now here we have the email address. So let me remove this, and now let me add an email address. So I'll randomly add uh, an email. You can just replace this email with yours. And now let me provide a cell number. So you can provide it with yours. So let me call it as this. And now let me change the phone number level as well. So let me call it as contact us. And now let's go ahead and let's click on this publish button to publish it. So here you can see the change it has appeared on your website. So that's it for this task. So in this task, we added the widget sections, and in the next task, we will add menus, and we'll also work with the appointment form.